I say, what we say? Oh, and I go see the year produce no sustainability and I'm obeying the
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice right here on Ghana SMTVGH. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Hey, NDC phone. Munsuandie. Omunsuandie back say da. Anka, so Munsuandia, they will have known, say, our mind we mono. One thing you do not use to brag, a dollar CD exchange rate. A dear bakwa, our mind we yenfan can sem yenfan bragi. As a jollof, who can you jollof? You don't announce it, oh. You don't let people know you are going to cook jollof, oh. Because the moment you let people know I'm going to cook jollof, I can bet you any day. And and everyone who is experienced in cooking jollof will tell you. So can no jollof now. We they say oh ebushanfo because no jollof one ebedibi. You can be assured say jollof nenye day. One share a calorie rice. It's the same way dollar to CD ratio no exchange rate no. You fan can say mo. Ya ye papa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. MPP Baba Emono 2017 hono. And ye deal ye $1 billion needs to stabilize the kakra. And ye papa be can say dollar no there you see there ya locking or ya jailing or ya the key na my IGP say on to training. Hey,
good board and sheshaye no. Sister ye, I suggest you wait for the follow up. And near my gold board ne babaye because ye babaye gold board ne commodity ye be Ghana for any amount for na crampo be premium gold ne $10. The gold ne be more value than the dollar. At the end of the day, on mine no ye exporting more of gold, ye refining gold, ye the gold ye near my baby and ka ba kwa $4 na de babaye. Enti ye ba ne sa ye sidi na ho de no ebegina. That's point number one. Number two, you Rajon Dramani Mahama, Yaukai agriculture. One of our major commodity for exportation is cocoa. Under President John Dramani Mahama 2016, Yakwayani could do 1 million metric tons of cocoa. That's a lie. Export. That's a lie. MPP 4 by
that's a lie.
Toka mamuo. I reduce it from about 1 million metric tons, do over around 400,000 metric tons. And cocoa production and exportation, as what he said, thing. And a cocoa no to me produce more now the qua and also so dollars now kwa. It is all to me produce more cocoa. Now we're exporting on your dollars. Who produce more gold? Who exporting on your dollars here? At the end of the day, you are getting more dollars to transact and pay your loans in dollars. So the beya own process cities baby and vanquay.
So maybe I say no because fundamental point and economy to problem makase.
Yes.
As I said, you shall local production and local manufacturing.
I say, me were 5 points, Mama 2. Maka, your friend is a gold as him. Maka cocoa. And no thing as I say, Usha gold cocoa board now. And she say, President Mama, very soon the board will be constituted. Now, area Mama assembly. Oh, Papa or cocoa board and no. Nimdia wo aye the best cocoa board. Am I increase cocoa production no? Nianya more export, nianya more dollars no. Ye beba. They are so me answer. President Mama kase ye meye need jet industrialization system wa. Ye be ye proper lucrative industrial establishment. Now you're producing some local product. You create free money because major problem on the CD and the dollar issue has to do with importation.
Okay.
And you're focusing on industrialization and agriculture industrialization. And President Mama say, "Oh my yeah,
or fourth and fifth yanko."
Oh my yeah, your friends say, "Oh, one day say one factory near Trapetting." You be establishing major industries and factories in the 16 region. Every region be a one major industry producing a commodity. You imported them. It is your Volta regional. You establish a major rice production factory.
Thank you.
Your Central regional. Yes, you establish the sugar factory. At the end of the day, such major products now you be producing in mass quantity. Now you to me supply for local. You be encouraging government agencies, institutions to patronize those industries na ebe ye no. It will be a person koto mu bia, obi okoto person koto ebro bia, government institution bia okwa koto ade bia no. Industries na ye be set no koto wo hono na nko importe. At the end of the day, one oh yes we are, you are cutting down importation. We are patronizing local products. No.
Aban be
diga. Yes, aban be diga. Aban so inyuma asene na me ye nwoma diga. Enti aban sa tikane ye den. Last point. Last point. Oh, okay. I say loan services near the ade. How are we going to cut down loan? And until na president mama catch Ghana for say. And then arrangement the contract aye ko nyina no. We don't loan we pay loan arrangement. You pay PPP. Enti contract near the ade e pese e ko mu nyina no. Men ko for loan bia meto yen so.
Yanka so ntumi nkoje
baby I what am yan mada room
ntumi nkoje enti ya na obede
emre eti mre ni free mu abi obe tempted say obede ko ba sesi an yenye na ye putting measures in place emre ni dumpo say obetumi akwa president mama si dabi. The domestic measures are president mama did gu akwemu no eno na ebe boam ye streamline economy no enti sustainability of the seed no Ghana for eye nyina ya sade said the hye ya ban de ba no umye ne so MPP for the meka che omo ne say omo go fa book kese nkwa nwoma book no mo pepen no mo trotro say the sibu man because president mama you were kezala to forcing you were some jamfemo penny for ya tenase ne yes every sector one after the other omemoni mo ye de aban papa ba and adwadifu a ya kan ya ne be gutafo nya no mo ka say next month o metete ne amaso no
thank you
omo de ato say by next month o metete ne amaso ya tete so a o ma fo
onya kas asem no wie ye pen na dollar no tija okay onya ke wie ya aso bi catch $1 no say pre away dollar so an kosa any one of the things that was really used against MPP ewo election them that dollar issue say IGP no key no e key na yire na IGP no wa ko bie dollar no Nicodemus liana enti when you na see here and this for munsia when I look at the kind of commentary NDC communicators and government communicators and ministers and who are passing on this whole dollar exchange rate, Mr. Keke. Mr. Because yeah, who be that? You see some before. We have seen some time and time again. We've seen dollar go to 16 cities and come down back to 8 cities. We've seen people boast about it. The next moment, 14 cities, 15 cities, 17 cities. And see, some more be jade no 15 cities, now they call 17, and after they back to 12. Munye din. Munye din. Well, ahana yin na yewo. Eye papa, eba beka. Enye papa nso eba beka. This has been the Political Rant with me, the voice writing on Ghana SMTV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. And then bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.